Hey, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today I'm bringing to you another cold cake. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I've got here 200 grams of dark chocolate. I'll melt it up in the microwave. Now I'll set it aside to cool down. I'll get a bowl and come in with 400 ml of whipped cream. I'll drop in some vanilla essence. I will come in with my mixer and whip everything up till it turns fluffy. Now I'll come in with some condensed milk. This is up to you. If you want it sweeter, just add more. If you don't want it so sweet, just add less. Now I'll get my chocolate mixture and drop in my whipped cream. I'll set it aside for later. Now I'll get a bowl and break in my unsweetened biscuit. I'll be using about 250 grams. So I'll get the chocolate mixture and come in with the biscuits. I'll give it a good mix. As you can see, I've got here my pan and I have lined it with some baking paper. I will transfer the mixture into the pan. Now I'll put this in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Afterwards, I will get it out of the freezer and come in with some chocolate custard. This is freshly made. If you don't know how to make chocolate custard, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. Then I will immediately put it back into the freezer for about 12 hours. So it's been after about 12 hours and our cold chocolate cake is ready. I'll just garnish it with some nuts. And it's time to cut a piece. Guys, this is super delicious. As you can see, it was so easy to make and you need just a few ingredients, but this dessert definitely needs to be on your table. Both kids and adults are going to love this. And I must say, you can't stop at one bite. So I hope I did help you and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.